Hello, dear. Jiangyin Wanda Pharmaceutical Equipment Company Limited is a production enterprise located in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, specializing in the production of crushers, mixers, granulators, dryers, screening machines, loading machines, widely used in food, chemical, pharmaceutical, and other industries. Our company was founded 10 years ago. The company covers an area of 2,112 square meters. The workshop has 30 employees, and the average working age is over 6 years. We have a research and development team with a bachelor's degree. Companies adhering to the customer first, forge ahead business philosophy adhere to the customer first principle to provide our clients with quality products and attentive service. We look forward to making friends with more overseas friends. The equipment is customized according to customer requirements, and our company also accepts OEM and ODM processing. Welcome to visit our factory. Our factory is only 15 minutes away from Wuxi East Railway Station. Shanghai can take the high-speed train to Wuxi East Railway Station, only 20 minutes. If you would like to visit our factory, please contact us in advance. When you arrive at Wuxi East Station, we can pick you up to our factory. Welcome to our company. We look forward to meeting you. We sincerely look forward to welcoming more overseas customers and partners to build up our long-term business relationship.